Hello, in this video I will examine the Synthetic Volatility Index indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us identify volatility or changes in the market in such a way that the more sudden the changes, the higher the value of this indicator and the less the changes, like in these areas, the lower the value shown by this indicator. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The only option available in the settings is
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
the calculation period of this indicator. The higher we set this number, the smoother the line will be, and the changes in this line will decrease. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.